Yes.
My name is Lindsay Schacht from Kivunim, and as the granddaughter of a Holocaust survivor, I feel as though it's my duty and my responsibility to continue the memory of my grandparents and my ancestors and repeat the mantra of never forget and never again. So I wonder, when Tibet is free and when you return to your land, will you feel the same as never forgetting and never forgiving the tragedies that were given upon your people? Or will you exercise compassion and forgiveness and letting go of what they did to you?
I believe in order to develop a genuine harmony, forgiveness important. In order to carry forgiveness, you should remember what happened past event. With that, the genuine spirit of forgiveness comes. If you forget past, there's no basis of forgiveness. Clear? Clear? I think Jewish people, I think Holocaust. One occasion, my visit Poland, I visited Kosachi.
Auschwitz.
Oh,
The Holocaust. No.
The place where actually burned Jewish human being. So the kasa tabs kasari. Furnace.
Fireplace.
Oh, yes. People putting there and burned. I'm very much moved. So Jewish people, I think through centuries, I think you people suffer a lot, particularly during Second World War under Nazi control. That sort of memory should develop more enthusiasm, not revenge feeling. But on this planet, that kind of thing should never happen. The opposite is sense of brotherhood, sisterhood, on the basis of sameness of human being. So I telling Tibetan, historically, we are an independent country. But the world changing, like a European country. So we also can carry spirit of Kazakh union. So since 1974, we decided not seeking independence, but remain within the People's Republic of China, provided they must respect Tibetan culture and Tibetan language. Now today, it has become quite clear, Tibetan language is the best language to explain sophisticated Nalanda philosophy. I wish some brilliant Jewish study these things, not as a religion, but as an academic subject about the human mind, about the human emotion, and how to tackle our emotion. That through logical approach. That's an Nalanda tradition, not just a faith. So eventually, I think Tibetan language can be very useful to explaining these ancient Nalanda thought. Next question.